And good evening, everyone. And I'm hearing myself from the wrong place. Interesting. Hello, Twitch. Hello. Okay, here is fine. Twitch. Okay, I think we're good. Now, whew. So we are back with more reverse engineering. I did some stuff here, and I just basically removed my old manager classes and began with a bunch of commands, and I decided to go with one manager. So basically we will have a bunch of commands. They got run command, and this run command will grab the game manager and call stuff from it. Did I transfer all of them? No. Disaster. Nope. Okay, let's start with you. I will deal with like pointers later, because how I understand, I maybe don't need this shared pointer, and maybe I need to make a singleton in a different way. We will see. Okay. Disaster command. What we need for disaster? Limit. Okay, it's a vomit limit. That's why you need to call your variables properly and not like that. So we got basically 3 types of disasters in the game. Should I make it a switch statement instead of if else? And I can try and make enum. Will be inside the game manager. Where I can put you. Okay, let's make you here. Disaster type. Boiler. 1 or 2, and this is the type. And I need a disaster manager. I didn't delete everything, I just moved it because I still need some data from the old managers. Now I need to remember where I stored it. Here, okay. So disaster. Break boiler. Type. Heat min, heat max. So first type, it's lower, breakdown. Boiler down. Boiler up. And next one is vomit wave. So here, case boiler. It will be I placed you not in the manager, but in the namespace here, basically. You actually should be here. Header file for disaster. Osh. This goes here. Then we will include in the game manager. Game disasters. And it's actually not in PPP, but in Ash. Or even higher here. Everything about the game should be in one place. Case disaster type boiler down. Type name is not allowed. Switch must work by enums. C++. Which enum? How do I use enum in switch statement? Without the name of enum itself? What? Okay, that's even easier. Boiler up will be game manager. Boiler break. We'll change change names. With a type, because depending on the type, we will break differently. And case vomit wave. I will spell it correctly. We'll make a game manager vomit wave. Huh. So I did it differently. Okay. And doesn't matter right now. The hell happening on Trovo? I don't understand. Okay. Now I need to return these functions into the game manager. Public method boiler break. Boiler break. It gets disaster type. And second one is vomit wave, which doesn't take anything. Okay, I will think of it later. Now we need to create stuff. Fortunately for now, I will have to use regions if I can. If I will be able to spell it correctly. So region and region, yeah, C++. Unrecognized. Ah, pragma, okay. Just so I can make it like that. Then we will get pragma region quake. Pragma and region. Usually if you need to use this, it means you need to separate stuff. Pragma region emergency. And pragma and region. Voila. Now, pragma region disaster. Pragma and region disasters, because it contains several disasters. Game manager Ash. Okay, so this also I think we can make in regions Disasters. And oh no, it works. Okay, just misspelled it. Quick. Emergency. Okay. Now we need to implement this stuff here. Game manager, break boiler. Logic is this. So we need to grab the heat level lock, which is inside the hospital data. And set it to 1, so player can change it. Where is my hospital? Ash? By this, you should have access like that. Hospital. Boiler. No, heat level lock. Equal 1. Will it do what I want? Type is bool, should be. And yeah, also I need to change a lot of these types because these types is Windows specific, and because in plans add here support for DOSBox version because I play in DOSBox version. This can be a problem, and of course the Unix versions. But I think they also use DOSBox, and it will not be so different from Windows DOSBox version because it's basically self-contained inside this virtual machine. But it will be later. So here we are grabbing values and setting it to actually true. Then heat level and heat level previous. I don't need to store it anywhere for myself. I can just store it in the game. This hospital. How I managed to change the language. Heat level previous equal this hospital heat level current. Then if type 1 we are setting heat level to maximum or to minimum and this to maximum. This will be also enum of a constant, I think. this. It's here. Yep. This is our values for heat. We will add it in the ash disasters. I can make enum of it, but it doesn't make sense. I think. Const heat min and const heat max. Classic all uppercase constants. Explicit type is missing. Sorry. It should be short. Because it at best is 10. But I need to check not the maximum value, the maximum size. Haha, it's byte. So it's 8-bit, and I started looking at the C++ ref. Not this one, sorry. This one, I think. The mental types. So, because of this, specifically this, at least, I will ditch these types because they kinda platform dependent. And as you can see, some of them are really consistent in their size, its amount of bits, but some not. And I prefer to have a strict type. And for this, how far I understand, they're this kind of types. There must be... there's a 16, so it must be char 8 there. So it should represent strictly 8 bits. But can I set it unsigned? Unsigned. Invalid combination. Uchar. Can I see in the docs? So char 8 them. Okay, let it be like that. So it will be const char 8 there actually. And we are setting this to here. It's still the wrong type here. And here we are getting interesting. That level is short. Previous level is short. But heat level is byte. Why? I don't know. So char16. I hope it will be okay with this. It's basically fine if you will place smaller number in a bigger number, but it's a problem only in opposite direction. Char16 actually it can be integer 16. Char. Interesting. Int 16. Size 2 bytes, alignment 2 bytes. Will it okay right now? They don't have int 8 as far as I understand. No, int. Oh no, they got int 8. Okay, I like it better because at least it's a number, not a char. So heat level log, okay. Now type is either 1, either 2. I can do an interesting thing. But no, I think it will be less readable if I will create an array of 2 elements and just access by 1 and 2. And especially because types actually 1 and 2, not 0 and 1. So array will be the empty first element, or I need to create a map with keys. That's too much of a hassle. So we will make a switch on type case disaster boiler down. This will be even more readable, and actually I will fix the problem error in the previous file then. Boiler down this hospital. Heat level. Equal heat min. Break. That's what I forgot in the previous switch, I think. Boiler up will be the same, but heat max. And in disaster command, it's here. Break. What's wrong with you? Argument of type integer is incompatible with parameter of type disaster type. Where is header file? So type will be actually one of the disaster type. For this, we got game manager Ash, which, yep, has this type. Next. Vomit wave. Oh no, wait a minute. Where am I going? I didn't finish this yet. Oh no, finished. Okay. So I did all of this. Next is vomit. Global vomit limit. We are setting so yes. That's why I did it like that. It actually was a idea of mini bomb, I think. Where is this logic? So to call the vomit wave, I just swapped the limit to 0 and swapped it back here. This type equals 3, while type not 0. We did this cheat with a while loop. Okay, let's do first this. Void game manager vomit wave. So to trigger vomit wave, we just lower the global vomit limit to the ground. And basically that's all we did. Because this is or like skipping check. I manually trigger stuff, even pop up with a text and setting length of a disaster. Because if you will try and just change type, and game will try to generate this disaster itself, it will check several conditions to trigger, and if they will not be met, disaster will not be triggered just, and it will be a waste. So we are just skipping all the checks by manually doing the same thing. Okay, so Interesting message I got. Let me make a slight detour to the Amazon. Which one I saw? $18. What? Oh, fun. Which one I need? I just need a cable, which one side is a old serial COM port and other is USB. But I don't remember where I saw the cheapest one. Not this one, because they got actually correct images and even specifically says that this cable, it's not a COM cable. Just I don't remember, do I need a male or female? Let me check my... Shut up, please. Where's my image? Interesting. Where is it? Pictures? Yep. So we got a male apparently there. Hmm. Um. These. They different in the V's only. What the hell? Um. I actually need a female port. And they all sell male. What the? Mm, mm, mm. Okay, there's a female. Male. Okay. USB. Okay. My search on Amazon is just atrocious. Almost annoying that they are doing this on purpose. Mm. Let's see. Oh no, how can I send it? Mm. 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 Almost finished. 2, 3, 2. Okay. Let's go back to our things. So we got this vomit wave. Just because I am triggering a vomit wave by myself, just by lowering like vomit limit. Because as far as I remember, game just does it in a opposite direction. It just gives to every pretty much to every patient in the hospital, like it adds to their vomit limit. So it just grabs value of a global and adds on top of it like 15, I think. So they start vomiting. I just decided to do in the opposite way. Just lower the limit and then return it back. But the problem exactly with returning it back. That's why it was made via swap. So I can save the old limit and then change it back to the new one. Just making them vomit is like really easy. Where is my vomit limit? So it's a global to the game. There is the address of this global. It will not find it. So global limit offset. That's another offset which I need to add to the constructor of a manager. And this is happening here. Quick offset. Game. So offsets is here. So for disaster, offsets will be here. Struct disasters offsets. First one is this. So it's a vomit limit. And that's int 32t. Now game manager. Just this is awful already. 3 offsets. Should I create a one big offset structure and pass them inside? Or I can just create like that again will be the one big offset. Game, where are you? This. First of all, yeah, some offsets already here. Let's see. to add struct just disasters. That's we will include disasters H. Nope, it doesn't exist. This should exist. Okay, limit. Disasters offset. So okay, why this doesn't work? Next, this will be hospital offset. Disaster, quake, and emergency. Include emergency and include quake. Then this will be game offsets. Accidentally build it. Okay. Oh no. What the fun am I doing? We're passing this as is here. And inside this constructor we will do something with them. Game manager. Where is your header? You should include game ash. And it will be including okay, this is working finally. This hospital offset. Now hospital offset this. And we got next. Module base. Okay, so here we will make a game offsets. Later I will redo it so it will be reading like a config file. But for now, it will be like that. Okay, then. Doesn't work like that. This goes up here. There's offsets. Equal environment limit. Disaster Ash, it's this. Okay. It should be imported. Doesn't have offset at the end. That's the problem. Game Ash. No. Is paused. It will not have an offset. This will. Okay. Revert back. Is the hospital offset? Quake. Okay. Emergency. And disaster. Get. What's wrong with you? Oh. Don't tell me that Boost library doesn't like what I'm doing. Static assert file type is not supported. This is a failed where disaster commands. Ah, enum. I dealt with you somehow before. No. So I need to add some stuff so Boost JSON will understand how to deal with this enum. I already did this. The commands, I think it was. I need to close everything. Yeah, there is the commands, and I need to this describe. So this is the name of enum, and I need to just give it all the enums I got. For this, we need to describe. Let's try. Will it solve at least this problem? Yep, command CBB is built. So far so good. And there is an error. But okay, it's different error. Not from the boost. There is a simple no override for the get. Main 911 199. Hello main. This get no overload function takes 2 arguments. So I'm passing here. Let me check it. Change it to int 32t. Then I will go to the manager. Change this to int 32t. This and this actually a problem. Got to pass it down. And because I changed a lot of stuff here, and also broke everything. Game offsets. It's not applied, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's not a pointers. Now, game manager. Why are you still complaining? There's a constructor that gets two arguments. This also. What the hell is your problem? We got a lot of errors. No overload. Ah, classic. I forgot to change the header file. Whoop, and whoop. Oh, whoa, 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 what the hell is happened? This we will change to uint 32. Oh, there is uint. Why there was no such thing before? uint, okay. Okay, building. Come on, where is the errors? I know there is. Yes. There they are. Okay. Ah. Well. I think this is because of this also. Should don't take one. Ah, okay, it's again problem from the same. It's again the same. And this also. I need to change every double word to uint. Syntax error. Yep. Um, Overloaded member function not found in game manager. Okay. Oh, that's all errors. Okay. So let's go back to the vomit wave. Commands disaster. So vomit wave. It's a game manager. There is vomit wave and there is vomit wave. So that's why I actually remade a lot of offsets. Vomit wave, not game. It's inside the hospital. Oh no, I already forgot. No, it's a global. I added it here. Then I there is our disaster offset, okay. When we are setting all of this, here I need to change set globals. I will move you to the separate structure, global offset. So I can pass you to the function. Links and links. Now we need to change it here. Global. Dot hospital offset. No, first is posted. I lost it. And this goes here. And then we are adding you here. Next, game manager, set globals, and we can make like games global offsets. Pragma region globals. sigma and region. Then we will get this function here. Global offsets. And this vomit limit. And this must be in header. Where I can find the type of vomit limit. Short. uint 8 10 vomit limit. Next here vomit limit will be this module plus global offsets hospital offset. We will get an address which we need to cast to uint 16 I messed up here. Short is a 16, not 8. Pointer. Dereference. No, not the reference, just a pointer. And this actually must be a pointer. This may only be used inside non-static members. What? First of all. I didn't add here. Void set globals. Come here. Voila. Now it's satisfied. You come here. I messed up this vomit limit because it's in the disaster for some reason. Yeah, although it's a kinda part of the disaster offset disasters, but in the first place it's a part of the global variables. So go here And I prefer them to be in the order of the offsets. So what we got? A, B, C, D, E. So it's like that. Disaster offset, go away. By this logic, I think I will have to move a lot of stuff. Because this emergency offsets is also kind of global stuff. But if I use them only here, they are part of the other object. Okay, let's revert back. I closed the wrong one. Just this will be in a different function. That disasters members. I will make this here. Open module. How I name them? Just offsets. Okay. Disaster. Header, come here. And this will be disaster offsets. Offsets. Okay. But I need actually this part. Dick. And this should work now. Vomit limit. Let's make a casing theme. I have to go here. Again. This is a camel. Oh. Uppercase starting. This is not. Okay. What we got next here? It's okay. So we're still trying to make a freaking vomit with. Disaster close everything. Disaster command, vomit wave, it's game manager. Okay. Why it's opening all regions? Oh no. Okay, vomit wave. To make movement wave to work, we need a limit. Vomit limit. Set to 0, basically. Then to every disaster we need to set pop-up with its type. Then set duration. I will rename this function and set type again with the type. Of course, I can make it simpler. Like here, just accessing values. For example, pop-up. We are getting text index. And not a global. We need to add global, this one. For now, I will add it into the disaster. Offset. Doctor at DC. So it's here. And doctor pop-up text is this. Now we need to add it in the init. Doctor pop-up text. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What the hell? D is after C. This one. Now. Set pop-up. So what we are doing to set pop-up? We are just changing the pop-up to the type -1 from this array. Disaster. We got this uint 8. No? Oh no, working, okay. Just recommend. So I can just this. Wait a minute. I forgot to set the global variable. This. It's a part of a game manager, so we need to add another member here, which uint I think 8. Short. No, it's 16 then. 16 pointer. Doctor pop-up text. Uint. Nope. This one. We got this address plus offsets doctor pop-up text. Okay. So then we can just set this to doctor pop-up text. This type -1. And that's not this, it's a game manager. Where is this? 16. Now we are value of type int 16 pointer cannot assign to int 16 pointer. Why? Okay, we first need to dereference it. Okay, let me move you to the separate function set pop-up. This actually will be UI in the 16, I think. We can. And this is not a type. Actually, why there's a byte? This is the short, there's a byte. Ah, because type is a byte, that's why. Okay, we will be. So it's basically an index. Now let's create this function. Here. This function will do exactly this. And we can make just this. But this will be not this and index. And here we will add a game manager. Set pop-up. Then set length, but actually it's duration. Another one. Void set duration. It doesn't accept any arguments, so let's go. And we need to add basically this logic. We are getting random. Like this. And this will be uint 8t. And then we are assigning this length to the another global, which I didn't set. This disaster duration, call duration. Disaster length, you get this offset, which is here, and it's inside of a hospital. So hospital disaster duration. Hospital disaster length. We will change it to duration. Parent must be a pointer. Yeah, I forgot. I changed. That's why I don't need to dereference because I changed structure u int 8. So game manager, set duration, and then game manager set and disaster type. Game manager ash void set disaster type and then this basically this hospital disaster type equal type. And we need to attach you to the class. Seems fine. What will compiler say? Is it okay, or I need to crank back my light? No, fine. Get an error. Where is the global offset? Hospital offset is post offset. I switched you. And apparently this also. Vomit doctor now. What the? Redefinition. Linker. Dr. Pop-up text, let me check. No. Or yes. Because this is inside the structure and shouldn't care. This and this is colliding. Oh, it was here. Dr. Pop-up text. And here we got Dr. Pop-up text. Okay. We can rename you to index access. And we will use you here. Oh, it will work. Generating. Wow. Nope. Link stage dropped. This was found more than one time. Disaster command. Unsigned short. Already defined. Just why it doesn't care about this, but only this. Hey, where is the out? Where is my output window? The fun. No, there. Okay, multiply define symbols. Why are you defining this in several places? This is Pragma once, so it's not supposed to include you more than once. The error goes from the command. Ugh. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, nope. Give me back generating, but again. Multiple defined symbols found. Already defined in comments object. Just why this is okay, but this is not. And so because it wasn't constant, it was trying to recreate it for each instance where header is added. It's interesting. But okay. So far so good. So we are setting pop-up, setting duration, setting disaster type, reset days. It's like how many days from last disaster are manually cleared. It's a hospital data, so it should be fine. Game manager reset disaster days. Set disaster duration. This and this. So reset. Void this hospital disaster days. Where is the hospital? Days from last disaster. And attach you to a class. And this will be all. Well, now let me test it. Actually, let's build. Let's start the game meanwhile. This game, I think, got some, yep. Where's my StreamerBot for this stuff? StreamerBot THSM. Mouse, come on. I hope it will build. Okay. Oh, did I even enable this command? No. It should generate the command. Should work. Build succeeded. Wow, nice. Let's attach you to the process. Okay, it's waiting. Now run. We are injected. Like that. And now I need to call the boiler, for example. Okay, connected. So argument, okay, type math list. So random from the list it grabs. We will disable it. And we will set type here. Type 1. It should break boiler down. We got a message and we got a freaking debug error. Welp. That was quick. Okay, so we got here. We throw this stuff. How we managed to call this? Interesting. Where am I even calling this? Here. Let me modify this and we will the session, this message. Just I need to let me try like that. The unique pointer actually. Manager. Okay, let's for now use shared pointer. Main static. So we init where? Oh. What is the call to init? I freaking forgot to call it. That's the whole problem. Well, nice. Okay, so maybe will be even simpler. I just need to init it somewhere. Specifically, should happen here. Gem is undeclared. Shared pointer. Gem equal game manager get. We got this here and this here. Okay. So it should work. Generating. Okay. Let's start. Okay, attach to the service. Let me close everything. We will move this breakpoint to here. Now inject DLL. Okay. We got init finally. Now let's get back here and break the freaking boiler. So we got our command. ID is broken for now. Command name is disaster type 1. What we got here? GM. For now it's uninitialized. But here I can go and see the instance, which is already set to something. So if we go step out, that will be fine. Then it should be ready. Yeah, we are in. We are generating command and we are getting exception. Why? Boost. Parse into verb exception. Okay, let's try again. We'll go step by step. Touch. Inject. Connected. Okay. And run. So this we can jump, this we can jump. Here we will go in. So switch name is disaster. We're getting here, going into parse. I think the problem may be... no, we are not parsing the reward part, so we're parsing only name and type. So body is okay. Then we're getting boost parse into. And here we are getting exception apparently. No. Okay. Failed parse. Ici. Error code. Numbers imprecise. What? Type boiler up. I think problem with enum. If I will try to replace the enum for now. So if I will change you to uint 8, I think. It should work fine. But then we will have to change it here. No, 1, 2, 3. Boiler break uint 8t. And where is the header? This. Change this and this to this. Commands, come on. Seems fine. Let's start the game. Inject, attach. You attached? Nope. No, it's working. Okay, hey, stop, you bastard. So we got working boiler, everything fine. It's somewhere in the middle. Now let's run this. We got this, we got this. Will it generate the command? And there we got it. Command is generated, so the problem is enumerable. Running disaster command, so we can... ah, shit. I jumped over this, fortunately. Now, let me see what's happened with the boiler. Now it's stuck on the maximum and I can do shit with it. Hello, Nicola on Trovo. So our heater stuck on maximum. Interesting. Why on maximum? Did I mess up the way? I thought one it's down, not up. And we got a pop-up. Basement broken. Going to get rather chilly in a bit. Ah, yeah. It's supposed to go down, not up. But at least it's working. Meanwhile, can I check the state of the game? Xdbg will not be happy. Detach. Or I can add variables here. Wait a minute. Where is my instance? Can I add some variables here? I want this variable. Call stacks, breakpoint, what I can do here? I can do the simplest way, I think. By the memory window. Unavailable when debugger running. Why I can't see the memory right now? Usually it works. It's attached. Output. Apparently because I'm not in a breakpoint state. So I can trigger another breakpoint. We will just send a close command there. And we are here. Memory, come here. And where is so I can find instance. No. Oh, add watch. So pointer to the hospital. And the day from last disaster is 0. Heat level previous was 5. Ouch. Duration is 20 days. Type is 1. And heat level, where are you? Radiator count, heat level log true. And heat level is 10. So far so good. But if I will try and run, I will lose this. Yep. And I can't see shit anymore. But we can just wait for 10 days and it will unlock itself back. Stuff is overheating. Wrong button. Come on. And good news, boiler now working properly. Okay. So we can again play with a heater. Now type is 2. Okay, let's just run. Basement boiler has gone haywire. Heat stuck at maximum. But actually it's stuck at the same level. Okay, so there is somewhere an error in the logic. Let's wait for the finish and try again. Okay, working properly. Lock is disabled. Okay, it's everything working. Okay, changing back to first. Trigger. This we can skip, but we need to go inside the run. We are switching between types. What the hell? Come on. Jump over, please. So we got type 1. If I go to the old version, hit level must be 0. I think I know what the problem. I didn't dereference this. Inside the brake boiler. So case 1. We're getting here, passing 1, getting in, locking heat level, saving previous state, then switching by the type. Okay, I messed up with enum. It starts from 0, but must start from 1. But still, hit level is 5 right now, hit max is 10. So everything works fine in this place. Yeah, hit level is 10. Is everything okay? Just when I set type to 2, there is no case for 2. It just goes out of the function, but locking everything. Okay, so in this, it works fine. I didn't mess up with the references. Okay. Now let's try and run the vomit wave. But I need to wait for this to finish. I can't run 2 disasters at the same time. They will overlap. Break everything completely. Come on. So your heater is stuck. No, come on. Okay, boiler is fixed. Now let's trigger this and run this. And we will... no. Vomit wave got additional logic, so it will not be failing because of this enum problem. We got a vomit virus in hospital. And everyone is vomiting. And we are already won the level, unfortunately. Okay. Yeah, people is vomiting, everything is fine. But they will not stop, because I didn't add back logic. Right now the global limit for vomiting is 0 and they will vomit non-stop. Even if he will say that everything is fine. Looks like virus is gone, but they are still vomiting. Yep. But it's intended. So stop debugging, detach. We need to close the game. And I need to understand what the hell is wrong with enums. Why boost doesn't like my enums, this disaster stuff. So disasters. We need to, first of all, make you 1. So now enum will start from 1 and go up. Boost describe enum. Did I use you properly? Comments and every enum possible. Boiler down, boiler up, volume, vomit wave. Seems fine. Can you go away? Then when we are getting here to the generate, we are getting this parse into, and there it's breaking. There's a commands ash. Do I use parse into with a command? Generate. This should be the disasters type. I should get disaster type. Okay. Ash. Vomit wave. This is 1, this is 2. This is a 3. Then and the annoying thing that this is building, but it gives me a runtime exception. parse into enums class v with okay parse options. It's built. Let's try again. Inject, connect, and run. And we will get runtime error again. Let me check the docs for boost JSON. Come here. Parse into enum. Investigate parsing into user structures directly. It's not what I want. They just didn't implement enums into parse into. Just here we got string view and parse options. Enum same error. What the f is this? Okay. I think I can for now avoid this problem with this. Oh, wait a minute. Boost describe. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. Just cast it to the this type, or I can make it like that. Why you can find you int 8? Unit, because it's you int. Sorry. Here I wrote it correctly. And like that, we can avoid this. Amy. So they got the same problem I see here. on the draw. How can this works? Where is the freaking ban button in this thing? Let me see. Draw. Creator space. My encoder died. Okay, but we are back. Okay. Twitch. Wake up. Okay. There we go. Okay, last hour will be cut out to a different file. Okay. So I was searching the ban button. Okay. Forever. Can I set somewhere limits? Okay. Of the mod. Okay. This one. Follower. Okay. Unfortunately, I will have to close chats for followers only. Okay. It's fine. Okay. So like that. Wait a minute. Okay, we'll deal with it later. Okay, so like that, I was able to kinda fix this problem, I hope. To test it, I need to actually run the game. And the game stuck. Okay, and we are loaded. Still building. Generating, come on. Inject. And now run this. Okay, connected. Run. Where's the game? Okay. Jump here, jump here, jump here, and jump here. And we are not crushed. Okay. Basement boiler broken. Chili, so it should go to 0. Stuck. Okay. Now we will wait for some days. I don't remember even the range. It's at least 10. I think 10 to 30. Good news. Boiler working. Okay. So yeah, we are back. Now, type 2. Okay, and run. Yes, nothing is crashing. Basement stuck at the maximum. Boiler, not a basement. Yep, it's stuck. We can do anything with it. Let's wait. And no, it's satisfied. Yeah, good news. Boiler is fine. Yeah, it's old value. Everything seems fine. Now let's break the game completely with a vomit wave. Okay, and okay, run. Yes. Looks like you get a vomit virus. You can hear them vomiting. Poor handymans. And now virus is died. Okay. But they still vomiting because limit never changed. Okay. So this part is working. Now I need to understand how to properly make the return values. To undo stuff, but I think I will search some info for this and we'll do it off stream. Right now, let's fix everything else. I got like half an hour left. So disaster. This we don't need. It's the start of a comment. This part we did. This we did. This I didn't do. Okay, so wait done with still waiting. Okay, let's try with emergency. We can do. Now we got this command. This is a word. It's a 16-bit. uint. Actually, I wanted to check one thing. So it will be int. This will be uint 8. This and this also. Next. I already did some stuff here. So emergency next, we need to fix int 16 and uint 32. Okay, this like this enabled is actually bool. This is like that. Oh my fun. Next, we're creating this game tick. We're dropping to 0. This setting to true. This is setting. Okay. Unset last index. Skipped count. And next like that. Just should I make like a method out of it? Okay, it's working like that. We will leave it like that for now. Emergency. Okay. So this didn't change much. Emergency offset. Game, hospital. Remove this. This I want to check. Emergency skip count. Can you navigate me to this part? It's a byte pointer. And we are changing this to uint eight t pointer. Then this emergency next. You're just a pointer to emergency next. Okay. Nothing else is changed basically. Let's move the game. We will load this game, I think. Okay, here we got inflation machine. So what I wanted to test a long time ago. So when you call emergency, you can set bonus to negative number. We will set illness. No. There is list of diseases. I think hospital. Data. This. So where is our bloated head? So it's a 2. Let's set illness to 2. And now I want to see, can I make an inverse? So if you save people, you will be punished. Amount. Like couple. Percent to win 50. Let's build it. Okay, inject. And connected. Let's make a test run. Okay. Bonus minus 1000. Okay. That is our emergency. Unfortunately, the game stores value in the unsigned, apparently. Yeah. So if we will look and this number 129072, we got this and this, and even overflow we got into this. Huh. Ow, sorry. How they managed to do this number? Just they got too many bits. So 1000 by 2, basically. It must be word. This must be the value. Like this is the same bits and difference only in this one. One additional bit. They add a carry flag. But okay, anyway, the game apparently doesn't like negative numbers, so this will not work. You will not be punished for saving people. But anyway, like if you see the negative number in the bonus, you will just kick every emergency patient and win. Let me see what will actually happen when I cure them. Okay. One done. Second one. Now let's wait for the reward. Maybe it will actually take money away, not give. No. 387. Yeah. We earned a lot. So this doesn't make sense. Okay. No. Then I need to change. Wait a minute. Not wait. You int emergency. Maybe because of this. Okay, let me change every double word in the current document to uint 32t. It's an offset. Okay. Word will be 16. Time left, bonus and helicopter index. And this will be signed. And byte will be 8. Unknown we will change to just integer because I don't know if they signed or not. This must be unsigned. Patient in hospital. It's an amount, okay. Should be fine. Emergency. Okay, it goes here. Let's try. Interesting why game audio doesn't go in the right channel. Let's build, okay. Now it should go. Yeah. Now you can hear the game. load. Now again, inject, connect, and test. Oh, it's a different version. No, again, it's saving like that. So there's somewhere apparently in the code this thing. Okay. Let's go away. So we can change you to uint. Emergency command uint. Come on. Okay, so emergency basically was done. Epidemic will be big one. No, we will just spawn patients. Now, disease will be uint 18. And amount also like that. Now, game with epidemic. And actually, yeah, the correct thing is epidemic, not epidemic. Just I thought epidemic is also. Nope. So rename time. The wrong one. Epidemic. Epidemic. This is. And commands. Epidemic. Should be okay. Nope, it's not find. Because naming scheme is different. which is also a problem. Commands factory, command close. Hey. Ooh, should I rename everything? I command, okay. Commands. Just because of this, I name them like that. Commands unknown, commands close. So they correspond to this stuff. But let's place you by the numerator is different. Known close. Okay. Disaster command. Let's rename. Emergency command. Their solution, I think. Then epidemic command. Epidemic command. Quick. What the hell are you doing? Then VIP. The hell are you doing? Will it build after this mass rename? Nope. Expected. Also, this need to change. Evan. Okay. Known command, close command. Known command, and then okay. Command factory. Known command, unknown command, close command, close command. Commands ash. Got disaster command, emergency command, epidemic, quick VIP. Disaster. This wasn't changed for some reason. So here, and here, everything fine. This fine. Where is the CPP file? Disaster command, okay. Now, emergency. Okay. Emergency, okay. Epidemic. Okay. Epidemic epidemic command. Listen. Quake command. Quake. Okay. Why this didn't change? I don't understand. VIP command. Okay. This didn't change. Now it should be fine. Oh, again, so many errors. Okay, correct. Again. Why? This didn't rename and I didn't see it. Type not specified. Again, it's error from the same. This can only be... Okay, so 4 errors from one mistake. Come on, at least build so I can finish the stream with a working DLL. Yay, and we build it. Oh, So I made a disaster emergency commands. Okay, epidemic will require some work with offsets for the function. So this will be on the next week. Okay, this will be all for today. I will see you all tomorrow, I hope, with more coding with inside the game, actually. I will be playing ColoBot. If you don't know what this game is, you can Google it. But basically, you are given a bots and you need to program them to save yourself, basically. And that will be all. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your evening. Bye-bye.